Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and today we're going to be talking about the Volkswagen Golf GT. It's going to be a little update video after the worst day ever video, where we had the cam belt and an alloy snap on the Polo and this car. Well, obviously the alloy broke on this car. And the offending article was this one here. This is a brand new wheel that we ordered from Volkswagen, so that is all been sorted now. But what we did is we kept the old wheel so we could have a look at what sort of condition that was in. The guys at ATS Euromaster, they were really good. They were able to swap this tyre on, which was nice. And as you can see, this thing is totally brand new. It's probably got like 5 miles on it. So yeah, it wasn't cheap. Originally we ordered one from Volkswagen, and it turned out to be the wrong wheel. It was a Passat wheel. It looks identical, but apparently it doesn't fit the Golf. So yeah, but we've got the offending article in a box over here, and as you can see, it is, let me just, they're not light things, these wheels actually. Here it is. It matches this side, and it's actually, in terms of, it's not in too bad a condition, because it's got 70,000 miles on it. It's got no real curbing or anything on it, which is nice. But if we have a look, I'll show you where the alloy actually broke. So yeah, it was here, and this was caused by a pothole. And basically what happened was it kept letting air out, and this turned out to be the offending article. But if you look, there's quite a few nicks out the inside of this wheel, which just shows the effect that potholes can have on a wheel over 70,000 miles. This car's only really done motorway journeys, and it's obviously the one trip, the rare trips on a road that causes these issues. But yeah, so that's our cracked Volkswagen wheel. I'm not sure the total cost of it actually. I'll have to stick that in the description below. But yeah, it's been replaced, and yeah, so if you want to sort of buy these wheels, they're actually available on eBay directly from Volkswagen. So I will let you guys know what these are. The Marseille wheels as well, which are exclusive to the Volkswagen Golf GTE in terms of their width. I think you can buy other ones that are Passat specific as well. So yeah, but yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.